Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnails with AI or Stable Diffusion. So, as always guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your PC and from there go ahead and open your browsers. Then search for Stable Diffusion, something like that, and click on the first website. Now, go ahead and click on Get Started for Free and they shall take you to this area. Now, for example, let's search for a YouTube thumbnail. So, a YouTube thumbnail gaming, for example, Valorant. And now let's see if it is going to generate us an image with these topics that I have written for it. So I think there's an error. So let's remove this, remove that, generate image. Okay, that works. So it must be without any comma. So let's wait here until it fully loads. So now it has been to 14. Last time I checked it was on 7. So okay. So here goes some simple ideas for like YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, here is like a picture, here is a picture. Um, Basically they are not completely good, but you can get the idea, can get inspired from them sometimes and try to make something better than the AI, but in the same like the same style or the same idea. Let's change something, for example, let's make only YouTube thumbnail and keep it that way. YouTube thumbnail. Let's wait. So now it's less or it's keep getting more or much higher. So yeah, let's wait. 30, 40, and 15. Yes. So here is an example of like some random YouTube thumbnail you can use for your own channel. They are, I mean, I don't know, they are weird, but yeah, you get the idea. That's how we can make it, guys. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.